Good morning, everyone. My name is Sylvia, and I am the crafty old lady. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate your support. I hope you're happy and healthy and safe. Today, I am just documenting a few things. My husband was taking the dog to get bathed and, all his little spa day at Petco. And he ran into Michael's while he was there and found me this really cute washi tape. So I'm going to swatch some of that. My daughter was visiting the other day and she wanted to go on the swings, so we got some pictures of the swings. I have a lot more pictures of the day with her, and also I babysat my grandson all day yesterday, but I ran out of photo papers and ink, so I'm waiting for that to arrive today. And also my husband got me this cute little cat card with poppies and a butterfly, so I thought I would incorporate that somehow. I recently bought some petunias at Aldi, which are just beautiful. Actually, I'll insert a picture here. I'm not putting them outside yet because it's still getting down into the 30s at night, although it's beautiful in the day. And then I got this thank you card with something I ordered, but I don't remember what it was that I ordered. But I thought the card was pretty, so I'm just going to put that down. And it doesn't really say anything about what I ordered on it. I can't believe I don't remember. Oh, I do remember now. It was a fanny pack. I got a fanny pack to pack the dog's little collapsible water bowl and little tiny water bottle to take to the dog park. That's what that was. Alright, so let's get cracking with that. Alright, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of a close-up of the washi tape. So cute. Foxes, raccoon, bunny, repeats. So we'll get some of that. We've got some owls and a little squirrel. I'm trying to save up for some better lighting. This is leaves and acorns. This one is just like a plaid. Then we have a leaf pattern. And this one is foxes and flowers. So pretty. I have some similar to that, but I don't think they're as pretty as that. And then acorns. So I used to not really like these skinnier ones, but I'm starting to find uses for them in my glue books. So now I'm going to find a page to put all this on, and I think I'm just going to use a plain white background for the washi tape, and I might just kind of, I don't know, I don't think that's going to tuck. I think I put too much glue on it. Maybe we'll put that there. This was an envelope that I made, and there's a picture that my daughter colored for me. And I think I'm going to save the pictures of our outing for another day, because I think this is going to be enough for these 2 pages. So yeah, let's figure out how we're going to do that now. Alright, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and put my swatches down. Then I have to actually go to the doctor, so I'll probably finish this when I come back. I had been trying to stay off of my cholesterol medication by becoming a vegan for several years, but it didn't work. As soon as I went off of it, it went right back up, even though I don't eat any animal fat anymore. And he said that's because it's hereditary, probably. So I gotta go back on it because I really don't want to have a heart attack. It's a little disappointing because, you read all this stuff. Oh, you become a vegan and you don't have to worry about any of these diseases, but that's not necessarily true. So, and I was a true vegan. I wasn't a fake vegan or a cheating vegan. So, here's the owls. How cute are these? I'm trying to do them in order of size. These are very autumny, but still, foxes don't just wait for autumn to come out. Neither do owls. In fact, we have an owl that either lives in our yard somewhere or likes to fly around in it. We hear him at night, and my husband and son saw him early in the morning. And we have a cemetery right down the street, and I saw a snowy owl in there flying around a couple years ago. But the one that my husband and son saw is not a snowy owl. I think it's a great horned owl, actually, judging by the hoot hoot that it makes. Owls have a different hoot. And it's so cute. My grandson was here and he heard the mourning doves cooing and he thought that was an owl. But anyway, this is my swatch page and I gotta get going, but I will figure out what I'm gonna do with this. Probably this is gonna go like that with a brad or something. I don't know. I'd have to be a pretty big brad though, wouldn't it? There's a little hole here I could use too. That is probably what I'll do. I'll put a brad right in there. Somewhere we'll have our thank you card here and our envelope with our, might do it like this. I think so, and then we'll pull him in and out like this. I don't think I'm going to do much to the envelope other than maybe put a sticker on it. But that's it. That's what we're doing. Maybe put this one on this page. I am not sure how that would work. Actually, I'd be able to hide the prongs under there. So, alright, so what I kind of think I might actually do is just mount this thank you note on this envelope with my daughter's picture in it and make a belly band across here to hang the tag or the envelope on. And I still have this card, which I'm not sure about now, but I can put this a little bit lower, and I'm actually thinking about cutting this top part off. Actually not thinking about it, I am. Gonna chop that part off. I have a little flowers brads and got my little punch, and I want to make sure I'm punching the hole so that it's under here. So that's going to be like right about, trying to keep you guys on camera. I'm going to punch a hole right about here, and hopefully that will work. I've got orange, seems to be the best color to go with this spread, and so we'll do that. And this, where'd my hole? Where'd my hole go? Okay, right up here. And then I can turn it so it's not going to stick out, hopefully. There, it's covered. And there we can do that and still see that. Now I've got to come up with a belly band, and this paper is kind of cute, but it's very thin. I think I need more cardstock type paper. So I went to my doctor's appointment, and I got conflicting advice from the same doctor over my high cholesterol. So I was told before, a few years ago, that it was high and I needed to be on medication for it for the rest of my life. But the trouble is it was making me feel disgusting. So I wanted to try going on the vegan diet and going off the medication, which is what we did. I'm drinking my tea. And as soon as I went off of it, for about a month, my cholesterol went right back to what my high baseline was. So I got scared and thought I needed to be on medication, right? to go back on it. And he said, your risk factor is still borderline. You can go on it or you cannot go on it. And so, but when I was on it before, he made it seem like I was in dire need of it and that if I didn't, I was going to have a heart attack. So now I'm scared, because it went back up, not to be on it. And, but I don't want to be on it because I don't like it. So he suggested trying a different medication and trying it and see how you feel. And if you feel like crap, you don't need to be on it. You could take, like, I forget what he said. Some fiber supplements would help, he said, too. Should help. I don't think that's straight, but that's it for now. Let's see if it'll fit. So now I'm totally confused and totally torn about what to do. So, because I really don't want to have a heart attack or a stroke. My mother had a stroke when she was younger than me. I don't know what her circumstances or risk factors were. I know she wasn't active, and I am very active. I used to have an elliptical, but it broke and I got a treadmill instead. I am on that every single day for at least 30 minutes. I walk the dog. We take the dog to the dog park. We hike. But I have noticed my knee is starting to bother me, so I'm wondering if I'm getting arthritis in my knee, because I did have to have both of my hips replaced because of really bad arthritis. So I'm worrying about that too. But anyway, I need to still be active. That's my worry. I have to stay active. Maybe I'll save this for another layout. But anyway, now that you've heard my whole medical history, I'm getting the prescription. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to take it, even though I'm scared to take it and I'm scared not to take it. I really thought that it was going to be like a cut and dry, yeah, you need to be on it. And I wouldn't have a choice to be on it. So, but I do have a choice, and I would normally choose not to be on it, but I'm scared I'm going to have a heart attack. And like I said, I don't know what my mother's risks were. She was not active, though. She may have had high blood pressure. I don't have high blood pressure. I'm not obese. My mother was not obese either. So that's my new dilemma. But I hope you are healthy. I hope you are happy and healthy and you do not have any medical dilemmas that you need to think about. And remember to stay strong and courageous in our crazy world. And I hope you enjoyed this very quick layout and my medical history. And we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.